I believe that when he lived, as he lives today, he loves me. I believe when he died, he saved me. I believe that when he was buried, he carried away all my sins.
I'm calling upon all of us, our viewers especially, to acknowledge that God is the ultimate authority in your life and voluntarily yield to the control of your life to him. He is faithful and he will strengthen and protect you from the evil one. Even the COVID-19, he's going to protect you. But we have to remember the direction that we have been given by our government. All the things that we have been given, let us be very honest and faithful servants and citizens.